So this is our second time right here at Mel's Diner, which can tell you something. Happy, healthy daughter is annoying. Let's go in and check out what the food is like. Here we have an appetizer from Mel's. It's shrimp, fried shrimp, and fries. So I'll do the fries once, so tell you what the fries are like. Don't need the ketchup. Nice and thick, very crispy, almost like it was slightly breaded in something like a cornstarch coating. So they are kind of crispy in that way. Let's go ahead and try a shrimp. I'm guessing this is ketchup and not cocktail sauce. Let's find out. The nice crispy bread coating. I is wrong. That is not ketchup. That is certainly a cocktail sauce. It did not taste like ketchup specifically. So this shrimp, yeah, that is good shrimp. You can taste the shrimp. You can taste the nice breaded coating. Yeah, it's a diner. What can you expect? But it's a decent, shrimp and chips if that's what you're looking for. So they give you butter to put on your veggies if you want. Let's just go straight into the carrots and broccoli. You know, all your standard steamed fresh veggies. It's not a bad choice for a side. Let's look at the green beans. Very, very southern style green beans. Definitely notice the hints of bacon in there. So the sauce is nice and you got that bacony flavor, so that's pretty good. We got the bread here. It's just a nice little, garlicky toast, looks like. Fried really well. And then, of course, we have the tartar sauce, which goes with the fried catfish. Fried catfish. Try the catfish plain first. Kind of thin in there. Not much meat. Very light, nice and crispy flavoring. Very crispy. A little more meat on this one. Put it right into the tartar sauce. You need that. Right into the flavor of the tartar sauce. Mayo heavy tartar sauce, not very much dill flavor. We like it really crispy, nice and tasty. The spices are nice, they're a little peppery. Fried catfish, you know what? Even though I'm not a big fan of fried fish, I could really go for some of this. This is a really good fried fish. Another diner standard, the French dip. Look at how well it's done. Let's see. That's a nice cheese melted on there. Maybe a little small if you're not into smaller meals, but just dip right into the sauce. With your French dip. Try a bite. I don't know. Oh yeah, that beef is very tender. The cheese melted on top. A very wonderful taste in that cheese. And the dipping sauce. It's a good dipping sauce. This is absolutely worth it if you're going to like a French dip. It is a very good French dip. One of the better ones I've ever had. Now let's try some pot roast. They said this is very tender. Got the beans here again. Got the bread here again, so we'll do those. Got the pasta salad for the side this time. Try some pasta salad. See kind of how flavor they're doing on this one. Those are nice and chewy. It's got a very creamy Italian flavoring to it. So if you like a pasta salad, that's a good pasta salad. But let's try how tender is this beef. Let's see. It's cooling off and pulling off. Pretty good. Pretty tender. Fast for a beef rub. Let's see what flavor was it like. It tastes like the beef stew I would make. If I got those beef stew flavorings in there, it is tender. It's very good. It's kind of like take the broth out of the beef stew, leave the beef. It's a little dry in that regard, but it is a very good beef to try. So if you like a good pot roast, their pot roast is really wonderful. All right, now I gotta try Teddy's Nashville hot. All right, so is it a sandwich? Oh, it is. This is the Nashville hot sandwich. You can see they come pieced that you got to piece together. Look at how big that chicken is compared to the bun. Wow. Very real. Let's see if it is really spicy. A little of all the veggies in there as well. So you got the full taste effect. The pickles, the tomatoes, the onion, the lettuce. Didn't put any dressing on here. Nah. So you want to add ketchup or mustard, it's on you. Just try it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is just the right amount of spiciness. It is a little hot, not too hot. Very good flavoring. The lettuce and onion and tomato, and even pickle offset. Lettuce, pickle, tomato kind of offset that spiciness in a very nice way. So this and the cheese, and there's the cheese on there so much, but it's in Nashville. It's a Nashville hot sandwich. I didn't notice the cheese in there so much, but it's a Nashville hot sandwich. What do you need the cheese on there for? It is very tasty with that Nashville sauce. This is definitely something I would definitely order again. Now the Works Burger. Here it is. The Works Burger. It has, they give you mustard on the side. They already have a mustard if you want anyway. They come with chili, bacon, and mushrooms. That's the Works they have here. And for all your burgers, you get the pickle, tomato, and onion. If you don't like that, you just take it off. But I like all the veggies. So let's stack it up. And let's go full force into this monstrosity. It's already dripping all over the place. Look at all that chili. And the mushroom. That's a strange combo, chili and mushrooms. And I put American use on mine. It's American. Very American type sandwich. And bacon too. Everything with America. So what does mushroom do on an American burger? But we'll go for it anyway. Well, Works Burger. They have a nice bun on top. Not thick bun, so it's nice and sweet together. You don't have as much. You really taste all the meat. Chili's got a nice flavor to it. I really enjoy their chili. It tasted really good. We go their chili. The mushrooms and the bacon. I call it the bacon. You can see the hints of bacon. Like bacon chili burger. It is a good burger. I'd probably rather go with the Nashville hot sandwich myself, but I want to try a little everything on the burger, and it is a good flavor burger. I might order it again if I was going to order a burger. It's good. Not great. It is a good burger. How can you not try a root beer float? Come into a diner with a root beer float. Got the ice cream on top. Don't know which root beer they chose. I'm not going to tell you the flavor either. I do like root beer. I don't really tell you the flavor, but let's see. Standard root beer float. Ice cream is good. The root beer is good. It's your standard root beer float. And look at this. There you go. The vanilla. We went with vanilla malt. I've done chocolate malts before, but with the vanilla malt, see what kind of malt flavor we got in here. The malt's nice and thick. Got to use a spoon to eat it. It's too thick for the straw to suck up. Yep. There is that malt flavoring. Oh, that malt flavoring is very tasty. Comes right through the vanilla. The ice cream is nice. Vanilla flavor, like a milkshake is good. It's got that malt flavor in there. Just the right touch. Malts are very good. If you've never had a malt before, this one is done right. Definitely try this malt. That malt flavor is very good. It generates some desires, not complete without dessert. And what we've chosen today, banana split. One of them at least. Got 3 flavors: pineapple, chocolate, strawberry. Ice cream is chocolate flavored, and vanilla flavored. So I got Oh no, some kind of berry on there. Whipped cream and nuts and a banana, of course. Gotta try each flavor, of course. Creamy, smooth, flavorful. To a chocolate with strawberry combo. Chocolate's a little more the dark chocolate side. If you like that kind of dark chocolate. It's not your regular chocolate ice cream, it's like it. A little darker, a little more chocolatey flavored. How the strawberry with banana. Get some those nuts and whipped cream. It's really good. Banana's fresh. Just the right doneness for me. Not too ripe. A little unripe. Perfect. Ice creams are good. Sauces on top are good. It's a very good banana split. But let's try the ultimate, the cinnamon roll. They say better than your mom makes. I say it's the best cinnamon roll we got. Now, this is the actual reason why we're here again, is this right here, this cinnamon roll. Happy Healthy Daughter loves the cinnamon roll. And we had a cinnamon roll last time. One of the best cinnamon rolls I've ever had, even better than Cinnabon. If you like Cinnabon. Wow. That icing, it's flavored just right. Cinnamon, really good flavor for that cinnamon. The bread, beautifully tender, nice and flavorful. It is, if you like cinnamon rolls, then you should come here and try this cinnamon roll. You know, this has been a really great, in fact, it's one of the best diners I've had. It's a really great place to come to if you're in the Pigeon Forge area. But you know, there are other places you might go to as well, like this one right over here.